today we will discuss about the formatting in Word 2013. In this chapter we will discuss about the setting that are standard or predefined in a software are called default setting. But we can make changes to this default setting. In class 3 you learned some basic formatting feature of Word 2013. In this chapter let us explore some more formatting features such as page, column, paragraph formatting. So firstly we will discuss about the page formatting. Basically जो page formatting है is a making change to the setting of a page is called page formatting. Now page formatting के लिए firstly we will click on the page layout. Here we have a different options like file, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, review and view. So in this all option here we have also an option that is page layout. So click over here. When you another options is appear. In this option you can change your page sizes. So firstly we will click in margin. Here we have a drop down list. In this list we have a different type of page setting option. So firstly I just click a narrow option. You can see when I click the narrow option, my page setting will change. Now I click the moderate option, my page setting is changed. When I click the wide option, my page setting is changed. So you can do it like this. Now how can we setting margins using ruler? How can we set margin using ruler? Now you can see here we have two rulers. One is in horizontal form and the second is in vertical form. With the help of this ruler you can also change your page setting like this. So in this way you can change your page setting also. Now you can see. So this is another way to change your setting. Now we will discuss about the changing the orientation of page. Basically orientation refer to a direction in which the page is printed. पेज ओरिएंटेशन से हम अपनी प्रिंटेड फॉर्म देखते हैं कि हमें प्रिंटेड फॉर्म इन अ पोर्ट्रेट फॉर्म चाहिए और लैंडस्केप चाहिए. सो व्हेन यू क्लिक देयर हियर वी हैव टू ऑप्शन पोर्ट्रेट एंड लैंडस्केप. आपको अगर प्रिंट लैंडस्केप में चाहिए सो यू हैव टू क्लिक हेयर. नाउ योर पेज इज इन पोर्ट्रेट फॉर्म. इफ यू वांट दैट योर प्रिंट इज इन पोर्ट्रेट फॉर्म सो व्हेन यू क्लिक ओवर हेयर नाउ यू कैन सी योर पेज इज इन पोर्ट्रेट फॉर्म. सो दिस इज द टू ऑप्शन यू कैन print it along with. Now we have another thing that is setting paper size. Here we have an option size. With this option you can change your page sizes. When you click over here we have a different options. If I want that my page is in A4 so I click over here. Now you can see my page is in A4. If I want A5 then I click A5. Letter form, legal form. So you can change your page sizes with the help of this option. Now we have inserting a page break. For the page break you have to move on in a insert option. Here we have an insert option. When you click over here, now here we have an insert option. When you click over here we have a different options. In this option here we have a page option. When you click over here now other drop list is appear. In this drop list here we have a page break. When you click over here in a page break option now you can see your page जो है वो break हो चुके हैं. ठीक है इस तरीके से. This is your first page and this one is your second page. ठीक है. So here we stop our chapter. In this chapter we had discussed the pages, column and paragraph formatting and how can we change our setting. So we will continue our video with our next new topics. Thank you.